Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make pap. If you're living outside Nigeria, I'll be showing you easiest way you can use to make pap in diaspora. Okay, so first here I have dry white corn with me. I'll go ahead and add about 3 cups of it into the bucket. The next one here is millet. I'll also go ahead and add about 3 cups of it into the bucket. The corns and millets, you can get them from your local shop. Yes, that's where I got mine. So the next ingredient here is guinea corn. I will also go ahead and add 3 cups of guinea corn into the bucket. The corn, millet, and guinea corn, I added them directly into the bucket without selecting them because they don't contain sand. So if the one you will be using contains sand, you have to select it, okay? So after that, I'll go ahead and pour water into it and wash it. So I will wash it about 2 times. After washing the first one, I'll drain out the water. Put another water and wash it. Then after washing it this time, I'll go ahead and add water to it. I will make sure that the water covers it very well. Then I will set it aside for 2 days. So this is 2 days later. As you can see, this foam-like stuff you're seeing on top of it is a sign that it has fermented. So now I'll go ahead and drain out this water. After draining out the water, I'll also go ahead and wash it. I'll wash it up once or twice. Then I'll proceed with the next step, which is grinding it. So I'm done washing it and this is what I have. So the next thing is to get a clean bucket. Get a chiffon cloth, tie it on top of the bucket. Get your blender, add the corn, millet, and guinea corn, everything. Add it into the blender, add water and blend it. Blend until smooth. So before blending, add water, cover the blender and blend until smooth. So now I'm done blending. After blending it, you go ahead and pour it into the chiffon cloth. Then you start sieving it. You start sieving. So this is the easiest way to make your own pap in diaspora if you're living outside Nigeria, where they don't have, not like they don't have, but where you can hardly find heavy duty blender like this commercial blender that blends these things very well. You can use your own blender to blend it, okay? So this is how you can make your own pap at home. And guys, this pap is very, very nutritious. You can just check the health benefits of millet, guinea corn, and the white corn. Just check it. You will see that they are very nutritious. They contain a lot of nice nutrients and vitamins, okay? So that is it. After sieving it, you take out the chaff. I don't know what I'll be doing with this chaff. If any of you knows what I can do with this chaff, just let me know in the comment section, okay? As for me, I don't know. After this, I used to throw them away, but if there is anything I can use it to do, just let me know in the comment section and I will appreciate it, okay? So this is what I will continue to do until I finish blending all of it. I'll be blending them gradually because my blender cannot contain all of them, okay? So I'll be grinding gradually until I'm done. After grinding, transfer it into the chiffon cloth and keep on sieving. As you sieve, you add water and sieve. As you sieve, you'll be adding water. Once you finish sieving out all the nutrients, you take out the chaff. So now I'm done sieving. So I will go ahead and untie this chiffon cloth. So this is what I have. So now I'll go ahead and set it aside, allow it to sit here for 6 hours. So this is after 6 hours. I allowed it to sit here so that the main pap will settle beneath. So what I am separating now is the water that is on top of it. I'm pouring it out. As you can see, what I have beneath is pap, the real thing, the main pap is what I have right now. So that's it. I'll go ahead and transfer it into this muslin bag as to drain out the water very well. As you can see, I still have water in the pap. So once I transfer it into this muslin bag, it will help to drain out the water completely. Okay, but if you don't have muslin bag, maybe you can try to leave it to settle for more time so that you can drain out a lot of water and store it in the fridge. But using muslin bag works very well. It will help you to get rid of the water completely. Okay, so that is it. I'll go ahead and squeeze the bag like this. I will tie it very tight. Then I will squeeze it, leave it here. Then I will look for something that is heavy and place it on top of this bag. This will help to compress it so that the water will drain out very fast. So I will use this my mortar. I will use this my stone mortar to place on top of it. So this is the next day, guys. The water has drained out and is now very solid, as you all can see. So I will share them. I will divide them and add them into this nylon. After that, I'll put it in the freezer. So guys, this is how you make your own pap in Diaspora. Please like and share, comment, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.